Good afternoon and welcome to this absolutely drenched Saturday here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. About 58 degrees and moderate rain today. Frontier 1046 inbound from Orlando. Gusty today too, up to 32 knots. Last night they switched to 6 left.
When you come up from the back, can you start
they're back over to using the 2 4s. 2 4 right.
You hang out more bags for a bus? When you come up from the back, can you start disconnecting? And if there's any bags in the back of the bus, then let me know.
Hawker inbound from Sarasota.
Direct fire. Running 92 arrival.
Hey, there's another one right behind it.
Spirit. Please go ahead.
2865 heading to...
Comes in empty, you pick up 3, departing in an hour and a half, we'll need fuel, and that's about it. We'll provide further services on the ground.
Alright, we'll see you in about 10 minutes.
Heading to Fort Myers.
I'll call the center and see if we can work out a different time, and then I'll get back to you. I also have a new route for you, so advise ready to copy. It'll be a full route.
1975 inbound from Fort Lauderdale.
Bridge to arrival. 5 minutes in, expect level 370 in 1 minute. Departure bridge to be 135.87 and squawk 7470. Okay, Orlando on the Cat 4 Appleton, Rojo 2 full, Cadillac, Recipe, Flying Visa Civic Sec 370, 35, 87, departure 7470 o'clock. By 1047 reback is correct, and like I said, once you have a better idea when you might be able to fly. I don't want to something different, so I need to turn the light different heating. A big tour over there.
So that's the Citation coming in on the left side from Teterboro. Thought about switching sides and going over.
I'll stick down lower as soon as this regional jet settles.
Try to get some departures on the other side, but it started to rain again. Just stay over here, stay close to the car. We do have a special livery inbound. Should be here in a little bit.
Learjet 324 down to November, left in November, the ground point set.
American 1260 inbound from Dallas. Flock of starlings it looked like. United 2012 inbound from Fort Myers, Florida.
Outer Juliet 0 to set a maintain 4,000.
Inbound from LaGuardia.
Flight 2425, your new EA time 1915. 1915, thanks. please. It's actually 139 Juliet here. Thanks for your help. Left on November, ground point 7.
9571 inbound from Tampa. TPA.
Juliet Hotel, turn left heading 190, climb and maintain 6,000, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Restaurant 190, climb maintain 6,000, clear for takeoff, 24 left.
Learjet taking off here to the other side.
Number 157, Papa South, Cleveland Island, 24015, gust 23, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Challenger. I've had a fair amount of business jets here this morning or this afternoon. Decided to switch sides. I was going to go to the parking garage, and when I got over there, they had a sign up saying lot full, which I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Remember last year the garage was almost always empty, and now it's top level is almost always full.
997, 7000.
9285 inbound from Chicago.
Good ILS runway 248 approach.
Pop across 2 for left over ground. United 285, have a good one. United 285 from ground, the kilo to the ramp. Lead the kilo ramp, 285.
I always wonder what airline pilots think when they have plane spotters.
2414, contact tower.
Sure, I'm getting made fun of. That's okay though.
Tower pressure 2414, ILS 24 right.
Things go well, I'll be there someday.
Center flight 2414, Cleveland Tower 123.019, gust 30, runway 24 right, clear land.
Southwest Flight 32 inbound from Las Vegas. The good thing about over here though is the wind is behind me. Downside of course is the fence.
JetBlue 441 cleared ILS runway 248 approach.
24 left and contact ground Southwest 32.
Frontier 2414 inbound from Phoenix.
Flight 2449.
Contact tower.
Oh, it's special livery time. JetBlue 441 inbound from Boston. It's the blueprint livery.
Meadow 729 is coming on final for left 24 right. Yeah, 729 Cleveland Tower, runway 25021, gust 31, runway 24 right, clear line. Clear line 24 right, 729.
In case you're wondering, if you did come over here, you probably would want a ladder. I'm about 3 feet in the air.
Contact Cleveland Center 120.6.
Really to get over that fence.
Turn left on November, cross runway 24 left, and contact ground, good day. November, cross 24 left, and over to ground, we'll see JetBlue 441.
Well, this spot did not work.
JetBlue 441, we're crossing 24 left on November. JetBlue 441, go around Lima Kilo to the ramp. Lima Kilo to the ramp, JetBlue 441.
Decided to switch sides again. Last time I went over there, there was a tall snow mound, but the snow mound is gone. I tried standing on a dirt pile that's over there, but it's all mud, and I kept sinking into it. So the JetBlue didn't really work out very well, so we came over here to get Frontier 1047 heading to Orlando. And that'll do it for today up here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We got another area of heavy rain moving in. We're gonna have some friends coming in to spend the evening and do a game night, things like that tonight. So we can get home and get some work done, get some cleaning done. So we have that. We should be back up here again over the next couple of days to do some more plane spotting from up here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a good evening, everybody.